Back here with a look at Myro. You can see we had, almost a triple bottom in here. This is a 12-hour chart. If we want a daily, just once again, 1, 2, 3 taps on the bottom, and we can move this yellow line even up a hair. It's all three hits right there, and a nice bounce. All right, now we're getting in an area. This 382. All right, this has to break. Okay, we need that 382 to break right at, what is that? 7.5 cents. All right, that's right at that 382. And them are, these areas. I'm not saying this is going to happen. We'll just dive into this in a second, all right? And I'll show you. But I have to show you some other things here. Bitcoin's looking really good. All right, this is on a weekly chart. I posted this in Discord the other day, and we absolutely nailed this. All right, if you go in on a daily, I put this over there, and I got in this. I had to right here. All right, Bitcoin did this move right here. I posted this over there. I jumped in this trade right down here, rode this up. I do high leverage on Bitcoin. I like fast money. I can't help it with my trades. This just looked absolutely too perfect. You had that daily pulling right back to the 702. I wish I had patience to wait, however 2 weeks for this thing to come back. I like to get in trades every day. But you got that beautiful bounce right here. This thing has come up from 53, well, roughly 54, up to what it hit 58 a little bit ago. I got an alert on my phone. Yeah, it hit 58,000 right here in this wick. All right, so Bitcoin is making a move here. The daily RSI looks great, heading to the upside. Your 3-day and your 5-day. Let's see here, 3 days just turning up, and then your 5-day. 5 days just starting to crank to the upside. Now that's the retracement, right? Now if you go from your high right here, just on this first move, okay, to your low, you can see, we should get up 62, 63, 64 area. That'd be your 618, 702. Right up in this area, I'm curious what's going to happen. We're going to get this break, and this thing's going to really rip. The weekly is just about reset. Pretty oversold, 47 down at the bottom. It hasn't been that low since back in September of 23. We haven't been down to these levels on the RSI, so definitely it's been a while, almost a year since we've been down there. Yeah, roughly September. I mean, to these levels. Well, you had one down here, but it's been a while since we've been in this range, right? So it's oversold. It could make a decent move here, and I've been talking about this for a long time. If you zoom out on this on a monthly, you can. It's pretty obvious to me. I think so. I mean, please leave your opinion. What do you think? Looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To me, looks like a run up here up to the 80s. If this finishes this out, we're if you put a fib on here and get a target for 1,618, $88,000. As long as this finishes out, and then if you go off your wave 2, you should have a 382 or 50% retracement here. Go from your low of your wave 2 up here. What we got? 50% retracement, 49.3 right there. Boom. So we'll see what happens. But if you're interested in learning this stuff, guys, and joining us in Discord, sign up for level 3. It's $15. You get over 10 hours of videos, of 20 plus videos to teach you how to start charting, and a link to the Discord. That fetch trade we got today, that's a killer, man. That one's going to be a big one. So if that interests you, we don't always hit them like that, but the big ones are the ones you wait for. We've been waiting for that one for a while. Over here on the Fear and Greed Index, at a 33, creaking up there slowly. A lot of people, I'm sure, think this is a fake out. A lot of bad news out there. The crypto bubbles. This is for the year, right? What's Myro done for the year? Let's see. Let's click on it. For the year, it doesn't have a year on there. Can you believe that? Huh. All right. Well, back here, is this? November of 23. We were at roughly 0.008. 0.008. That goes back November 17th. All right, we were at 0.008, and we're at what, 7 cents right now. So where are we at here? Yeah, 7. So not too shabby. And that's pretty decent return there. But anyway, I gotta show you this first before we dig into that. All right, please hit that like and subscribe, guys. I'd appreciate that very, very much. Look at BlackRock issues a serious Fed warning as crypto braces for a predicted 50% crash. You know, I love hearing that bad news, man. That's I think that's the whales trying to scare you. BlackRock, they want you to start dumping your Bitcoin, you know, so they can snatch it up. I believe that. Crypto exchange volumes reflect Bitcoin traders' reduced trading appetite on Glassnode. Falling centralized crypto exchange volumes highlight traders' reduced trading appetite. I love it. Bring on the bad news, man. I love it. You know, you hear a bunch of bullish stuff. That's usually when it dumps. When they start feeding you all this negative stuff. You know, that's my opinion. You know, but Trump plans to turn the White House into a crypto cash machine. Yeah, how about this? Americans lost 5.6 billion to crypto fraud in 2023. I hate them ads. I don't know why they're allowed. You know, probably one happened at the beginning of my video, you know, with XRP or something. Oh, to celebrate our win, XRP against the SEC, you send us 1,000 XRP, we'll send you 2,000 back. That's not going to happen. That's a fraud, and they're going to take all your money. You know, please don't. Yeah, you know, crypto scams, $5.6 billion. That's a lot. Mostly from what's this say? Mostly from older people. The FBI fraud report that people aged 60 and older filed more than 16,000 complaints alleging more than 1.6 billion of losses. That's terrible, man. How can you do that? What is, you know, and you never know where they're at. They could be next door, right? Americans reported more than 69,000 complaints last year saying they've been scammed into sending cryptos to criminals, often using commonly available crypto ATMs. Americans 60 and older filed more than 16,000 complaints, losing over $1.6 billion, much more than any other age group. People under 20 had the fewest, with 858 complaints, totaling almost $15 million. Crazy. The reported scams ranged from phony tech support help and extortion to scammers impersonating government officials. The vast majority of reported losses, almost $4 billion, were a result of investment scams, a category that the FBI uses primarily to refer to so-called pig butchering scams. That's a 53% increase from the 2.57 billion losses reported in 2022. In pig butchering scams, I hate that name, fraudsters assume a fake persona and they cultivate a deep, often months-long romantic relationship or friendship with a victim. I seen this. There's a channel on YouTube. They do a great job with this stuff too. They do all this investigating. Oh my gosh, I wish I could think of their name. Look up crypto scams or crypto relationship scam. They're good. You'll find them right away. They're awesome. They then convince them to invest more and more of their savings into a bogus crypto investment platform. Yeah, like they trading. It shows like you get on a trading platform they send you to, and you start making all this money trading. And they take it all, right? I think they give you advice on what to trade and buy, and you can't take any of the money out. It's like locked. You see your account going up and up, but you know they say, oh, it's locked right now. You'll be able to take it later or something. You know, it's crazy. These schemes often offer individuals large returns with the promise of minimal risk. The FBI said in the report, over the years, crypto widespread for promotion as an investment vehicle, combined with the mindset associated with the fear of missing out, has led to opportunities for criminals to target consumers and retail investors, particularly those who seek to profit from investing but are unfamiliar with the technology and the attendant risks. And they do all kinds of stuff. They pump and dump, meme coins. These people take your money and, they put it all into one pot. It's crazy. I don't know. A spokesperson for Chain Analysis, a firm that specializes in tracking crypto payments, told NBC News that pig butchering scams were by far the most lucrative form of cyber fraud last year, with an average theft of nearly $5,000 per victim. I'm not going to read all this, but if you want to, you can pause it. Then they have money. Then they have people send the cash. It's a shame. So please, please, no, don't listen to any of that. That's people trying to get you to invest in this and that. Chances are they're going to get into your wallet, take all your money, and you're going to be left with nothing. And it's a shame because it really makes a bad stain on the crypto market. So this article is from NBC News. Pretty crazy, huh? All right. Over here on a brighter note, right? This 382, that's 7.5%. We have to take it out. You can see it wicked up right here, and it hit it. All right. The 618, 702 are up at 8 and 8.5 cents. That's what we want to see. All right. If we come out here on a weekly, we do not want to see a fifth wave down right here, right? We want to see a retracement back to the upside. This has been nothing but down for a while, right? I mean, this thing was way up there, huh? But we don't want to see this, all right? I think this move is over. We talked about this for a while. But you got 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. All right, that 5, a target for that thing. And you had a fifth wave down here. You absolutely did. The question is, did it bottom? All right. You go for normally a 1618, and that's how we got this target down here at 3 cents. Now, what for normally, if we come back in here, let's go on a daily. All right, this is not what it. This is what we're trying to avoid right here, and we're trying to find a bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then that final fifth wave down. This is on a daily. The bigger 5 waves down was the bigger, but this is on a smaller time scale here. Okay, so we're hoping that this bottomed out here. Now that 7.5 cents, that is critical. Why do I say that? Well, normally a 382 retracement, inside of a wave 5, you would have 5 waves, right? 1, 2. 3, maybe 4, maybe something like that. That's what we're trying to avoid. So this 382 retracement, that's what you normally get on a wave 2 back on these 5 waves down. We have to take this out. Let's look at this RSI here, right? The daily, pull it up. The daily is still heading to the upside. All right, these are the ones that the 3-day. 3-day looks really good. Okay, turned up. 5-day. 5-day has just turned up, so we're hoping for a bottom here. 7.5 cents is very critical for Myro. All right, that is a very, very critical level. We need to take that out. And overall, if we take out 7.5, this one up here, okay, that is that fourth pullback. I like to see that gone and out of there. Okay, you go through and measure all this stuff, and it's just it all comes out here. I mean, look at what we got here. All right, we have that one's almost at a 382 right there. Okay, so we're looking for a bottom here with Myro. 7.5 is important. This bottom here is extremely important to hold. All right, now that's 6 cents. We need to hold that 7.5. We get a break of that, and we're looking a lot better. Okay, and that next target is this high over here, right there at 9.7. That we definitely want to take out. So, all right, guys, holding steady, consolidating pretty much here. If you go on a daily here, we we came through here. bounced on this level, came up, fell through it, came back up. We're trying to regain this level up here of support. All right, that's at 7.5, and we'll see what happens. But like I said, overall in this bib, we're just at them retracement levels at 382. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to see this break 7.5. Okay, super important. You could get. We'll see. We'll keep an eye on it. I'll be back with you very soon in a day or two, and we'll see what happens here. But the RSIs look decent. Need to break these levels to keep this going to the upside, right? The rest of the market looks like it's heading to the upside. Hopefully Myro is too. Thank you so much, guys. Please hit that like and subscribe. Come over and join us. $15, level 3 membership. We got in a great fetch trade today, so a lot of people making money today over there. Have a great day, everybody.